Okay, another example. We have two hikers start at opposite point of a trail located at Mount Parawagan. We have -6, -2, and Mount Pamitinan, we have 8, 4. So, where is the midpoint of the trail? So, to find the midpoint, step 1, we need to identify the two ordered pairs. Based on the given scenario, what are the two ordered pairs? Brutas?
6, -2, tapos 8, 4.
And then after that, next step is write the formula. Okay, so anyone, what is the formula in finding the midpoint of a line segment? O, tabige. Over, comma, y sub 1 over 2. Then after that, what we're going to do? We need to put a label. Okay, so since this is the first point, this will become x sub 1, y sub 1. And this is x sub 2, y sub 2. Then after that, substitute. What is x sub 1? -6 plus x sub 2, 8 over 2. Comma, what is y sub 1? -2 plus 4 over 2. Then after that, simplify. Proceed to addition of integers. What is the sign of 6? Negative. Sign of 8? Same and like? Unlike. Add or subtract? Okay, so 8 minus 6, 2. What is the sign of 8? Positive. Sign of 8? Just copy the sign of 8, positive 2 over 2, comma. Same and like? Add or subtract? Okay, 4 minus 2, 2. Then copy the sign of 4, positive 2. Then after that, simplify. 2 divided by 2, 1. And this is also 1. So therefore, the midpoint of the given ordered pair is we have 1, 1.